Hello, everybody. So I have a Walmart haul. It's just stuff I'm filling in because I brought the bulk of my meats from Aldi's supermarket. And I just have some things I had to fill in. So you're going to see a lot of starches and stuff like that I had to, fill in. Okay, so I'm going to start with something that I haven't had in a while. What is that fell? This is cream of wheat. I haven't had it, I guess, in about 2 years or so. So I thought about it today and I said, better get that cream of wheat right there. Okay. I got the lactate milk. I can't drink regular milk. I used to be allergic to shrimp, and I'm still careful with it. But for 2 years, I've been able to eat shrimp. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I always loved shrimp. But like I said, I am still going to be careful with it because before that I hadn't had shrimp maybe about 20 something years. And so one day I just decided to try it and it worked out pretty good. So we're gonna see how this continues to work out. But I love shrimp. And I got some Kobe Jack cheese. Make some mac and cheese. I have another cheese too that's gonna go in there. I brought some potato rolls to make some hot dogs and stuff. When I'm on the run and I get in here and I feel like ordering some food and stuff, I'm just gonna make a hot dog or something like that. I got the Italian bread for sandwiches. What did I do with the sandwich meat? It's probably up here somewhere. Yes, it's some good bread. I got Lucky Charms. Yes, I eat cereal that the kids eat. That's what I like. I do have some Raisin Bran, but I don't eat that all that often. But yeah, I love Lucky Charms. I got Smucker's Goober Strawberry. I usually get the grape, but this is good too. Got the Trivia Stevia Leaf. Okay, and my sister introduced this to me years ago, and I didn't keep buying it because it's very expensive for this little thing. But I have to do a better controlling my sugar. And then what you're going to see in this haul is I got a lot of sweet things, but I am going to try to do better. I have some Minute Maid fruit punch. Yum. Duncan Hines brownies, the chewy fudge chewy ones. Double bubble. I love this stuff. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have the Ben's Original Ready Rice. You know, they used to call it Uncle Ben's, right? But now it's just Ben's Original. Okay. So, garden vegetable with peas, carrots, and corn. That sounds really, really good. I got bagels or something else. When I run out or run in, then I will something quick to eat, That's what I have some peaches. Chicken legs. I think the thing was saying $4 or something, but don't quote me on it. But that's what I was saying on the sign, and I didn't look at my receipt. But if this is $4 or something, I'm going back to get more. And it's a time that I didn't really like chicken legs, but gotta stretch the meals, y'all. Y'all know it. I got some cheese. Here's the sandwich meat, the smoked ham. I got the Great Value apple juice.
I got this bread also to make sandwiches.
What else? What else? What else I got? Hot dogs.
I got the Pure Aqua spring water. I don't know why I got this because it tastes like tap. It tastes just like tap. This was a mistake. I want my water to taste like spring, like it's coming from a spring or something. If it's gonna taste like tap, I might as well drink tap. I got the VO5 Ocean Refresh shampoo. So that's the end of it for my haul, y'all. I haven't done Walmart hauls in a very long time. I'm just trying to bring y'all some new videos, y'all. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbsing up my videos. Thank you for the support and the love, and I appreciate y'all so much. Okay? I will be back soon. Bye.